Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sound like Sonic using ElevenLabs. Now when we come here to the voices library, you might not even find Sonic, which I didn't find. So what you do is you come here to voices, click on the plus icon, and you can instantly voice clone Sonic. You just download an audio clip here online from YouTube. You can find it on Google as well. And then you bring in the audio clip, okay? Just drag and drop right here to ElevenLabs. By the way, I'll leave a link in the description. You can try it for yourself, okay? There we go, a 19-second clip. Make sure this one is toggled on. Go ahead and click on Next. There we go, I added a name, added a description as well. We'll take the value here for the language to English. And then make sure you toggle this one on and click on Save Voice. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to generate using text. Okay, click on generate speech. There we go. And we're going to use this text right here. Make sure the voice is set to Sonic the Hedgehog, whatever you named it. The model to 11 multilingual V2. This is the best quality one, the newest model. Speed, we'll leave it at 1. Stability, keep it at 50%. Unless you have 2,000, 3,000 characters of text, you might need to increase that to about 75, 80%. Similarity, have it at 75%. Style exaggeration, I'll make it a bit more, about 45, okay, or 40%. Speaker boost, toggle this one on, and then go ahead and click on generate speech. Let's see how ElevenLabs does.
Yo, ElevenLabs! Sonic here! Just blazing through to test this voice tech. Hope you're fast enough to keep up. Wouldn't want your system lagging behind me.
That was a pretty good job. What do you think, guys? You can check out the link in the description and try for yourself with ElevenLabs.